I like that you can turn it off if you want, disappear in the dark, and reappear. So very simple. All right, today look at this, guys. A large outdoor light, LED light, and this could be two ways mounted. It could be actually a pole. You could just remove this and do the pole, or a wall fixture, right? Or a wall. This is perfect for your entrances. If you have a garage and you want lighting in front of it, this is perfect. A dark area, this is also perfect for those. Now you are going to require 3 connections. All right, you got your ground, which is the green one, your hot, which is the black one, and your neutral. And look at this, on top of that, a remote. Now on the remote, little small batteries you're going to require. You could do a setup for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, and so forth. So they have a light on and off, and then different modes. We're going to test it out too at night too. And they give you all the screws, all the mounts, and everything you require to set this up. So we're going to set this up high, around 12 feet high, to see how much it lights up. But one of the best things about it is that this whole thing moves in different directions, if you guys can see that. So we are going to set it up into a pole. All right, let's set up the pole first, and we're going to put an infrastructure, pass the cable through on the pole that we're doing it. There's one. Do one more. All right, let's go over the actual controller. Right, on the controller we could turn it off. All right, there you go, turn it off. We have the controller, and then we could turn it on, and then we have, like I said, dimmer. We're gonna dim it down. Let me see if we could dim it down. Look at that, so you guys can see it. I'm gonna dim it down as much as I can, and that's pretty much it, because this thing is super bright. So we're gonna go back up high. All right, you could turn it off easily. So these lights, I'm gonna show you something close. I have lights on right now, so it can help me out, but I'm gonna show you a little close. These are adjustable to any direction you want. You could fix them any direction. So let me turn it on. This thing is really bright. I'm gonna show you a night, completely darkness, and then we'll test it out to see how good they are at night. All right, so this is the light, how bright it is, right? It's pretty much illuminating everywhere. And if you should turn it off, look how dark it gets in here. This is really, really good. So I'm gonna turn it back on, you guys can see it. So the 2 lights could be moved either directions you want. It doesn't have to be one direction, it could be 2. It's a little cold out here, but I like that you could turn it off if you want, disappear in the dark, and reappear. So very simple. If you're understanding, this is the entire backyard. You guys can see that. So you can put this anywhere. It's going to illuminate everywhere. Not just one location, but another location too. Every location, if you guys can see. And you can rotate in either direction. Like I said, turn it off. Completely darkness. Turn it back on. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.